Hello. I'm going to share a quick room tour of the room that I am in at Disney's Pixar Hotel. I wanted to show you right here. We've got a really cute, just from the very beginning, we have an adorable little Pixar nod with the little hang tag. It says Monsters at Rest. And I'm not quite sure why, but I did get an accessible room. I did not ask to be put in an accessible room as I do not have a need for that. But for some reason that's what I was booked in. And actually, I think it's good for me to be able to show it. So here is the bathroom. I'm sure it's a little different. Maybe someday I'll stay here and I'll be able to show the difference. They have a nice sink with a few cute supplies. I love the H2O Beauty that they have. And look at this, the housekeeping sign even has Eve on it, which I think is very, very cute. Lupe is our attendant. Look at how cute that is. That's the shower cap with the little Luxo and the Pixar ball. Very cute. It's got really cute artwork, just sketchy little artwork. And you can see this is the accessible shower. I do like that they do this with body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. You are able to use however much you want, but it doesn't use up those little plastic containers, so I think that's good. The towels are really soft and nice. Looks really, really clean in here. Got a big mirror. Got a really fun piece of artwork where you can see lots of Pixar characters. It's a really, really cute illustration. And look at how cute. Look at how cute. There's 2 beds. It's just me. I don't have any kiddos. My family is not here with me today, so I do have kiddos, just not with me. But look how cute this room is. And it's a good size. So because it is an accessible room, it's nice. I wonder if it's maybe a bit more crowded in another room, but there's actually quite a lot of room. They always do a little welcome to the family at any Disneyland hotel, which I think is a nice touch. We've got wine glasses and also coffee here. And then look at this. Look at that. That's a cute little coaster. Kind of want to take it home. I don't know. Maybe I will. Let's see what's in here. We got a fridge. And that isn't cold yet. Maybe I need to turn it on. But there is a fridge, and then, oh, look at all the coffee stuff. And look, that's so cute. Look at that. And then lots of coffee options. And more mugs, and more wine glasses. I don't know why they're drinking that much wine. And that one's empty to put stuff in. We've got extra pillow and blanket without even having to ask, and extra towels. That's always nice. I, of course, won't need that, but we always need that with kids. So, again, extra pillow and blanket, hair dryer. There is a steam iron. That's great. Look, even the bag for laundry is themed for Pixar. How cute is that? Little ironing board. The bedding is so cute. Look, it has the little, I don't know if you can see that, the little Pixar ball, and then the little pillow is also themed like the Pixar ball, and then a really cute mural all across the front there. And then look at this. I can see the back end of Disney California Adventure Park. I think that is so cool. You can see the Incredicoaster going there, and a little behind the scenes action. I'm surprised. Usually you can't see backstage. I can't believe that you can see backstage. Look, those are all cast members. Can you see them all? Right there. Boop. That's kind of neat. But this is Disneyland Drive right here. It's very, very close walk. I'm actually here for the Natural Products Expo, and this is not a sponsored post, but I did get a media rate to stay here. You can see the Grand Californian is right there. I'm not sure if there is an entrance for the Pixar Hotel to Disneyland or Disney California Adventure, but I do know that you get Magic Hour, and that is a huge deal to be able to have that extra time. Ooh, let's look at this. This is neat. Look at that. That's cool. I've never seen them put a book in here. So this is The Art of Pixar, and it's just a cool book. I don't know if I can open it. Whoa, sorry about that. Look at that. I'm gonna flip through this tonight. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is really neat. That's a really cool added touch. Anyways, that's included. And then this is a fun thing. Look. Now, we're not gonna ever be Disney Vacation Club members, but I think that it's cool that if you do go, they will give you a gift. Again, I don't have time, I'm not gonna do that. But look at this that I get. A little lithograph of the Up house, which I love Up. That's a sweet show, sweet movie. So, and then I save the best for last. Look at the lamp. Isn't that the cutest? So cute. It just has a really, really nice theme without being overdone. Here's where they put your room key and information. And then look at how cute the room key is. My son takes our room keys and then makes them into guitar picks, and he's gonna have so much fun with that. So anyways, this is the Pixar Pier Hotel. This is an accessible room. And again, we may stay here again and I can show the room that is not accessible and see. I would imagine it's mostly that there's, the bathroom will be a bit different. And then also, I feel like there might be another piece of furniture here, usually in other Disney hotels. But I mean, this feels very spacious and gives people plenty of room to move around in. So it's beautiful and clean, and they've got music playing when you come in. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I have also shared a video of the Pixar Hotel or Pixar Place Hotel pool, and also the gym. So it's a small but really, really nice gym. And they even have free snacks in there for you to take when you're done. So in any event, thank you to Natural Products Expo for getting me a great rate here. And I hope that I can answer any questions you may have. Bye.